place on the steering wheel. 9 and 3, 10 and 2, 7 and 5. You want to drive and have your hands at a position that is good for you so you have control of the car. Let's go ahead and put the car into drive. We put our right foot on the brake. We push in. This has a shifter. You put it down to D. D is for drive. Which put it on that blinker. We look where we want to go. Parking lots are very dangerous places, so we want to be mindful, and we want to stay middle right. We're scanning left, middle, and right. We're going to go down to the stop sign. After we stop, we're going to make a right turn. So you want to turn your blinker on about 100 feet or half a block, and we're going to use the squeeze brake technique and pause. We look left, right, left, and then we roll forward, and then we turn, and then we want to accelerate out, and then we turn out. Parking lots are really good places for beginning drivers. We want to maintain speed. We don't want to hug the right. We'll drift to the right, hit the curb. We don't want to drift to the left and be out of our lane. We want to take our time, look ahead around the S-curve, and we want to look ahead. It's called aim high driving. And we're going to go down to the stop sign. And once we come to a complete stop, we're going to make a left turn. Right about now, we want to turn on our left blinker. We use our left finger, and then we're going to squeeze the brake, line the stop sign up with the door, and have a complete stop. We look left, right, and left, clear. Then we gently accelerate, and then we turn out slow, and then accelerate out of the turn, looking ahead, not looking down, because we'll drift to the right, or we'll drift to the left. Past the green sign, we want to turn on our right turn signal. We flip it up. Then we start to squeeze our brake. Again, I'm using the squeeze brake technique, using the ball of my foot, and then I want to stop. We can turn a red, but we have to stop. Look, there's our green arrow. We turn in the nearest lane. We turn out and accelerate through the turn. It's 50, you check your speed. I'm at 40 now, 45. And I'm gonna cruise about 45. I'm looking left and right over the railroad tracks, being patient, checking. I'm at about 45, that's fine. Good speed.